The third interrogative pronoun is the interrogative pronoun what. The speaker applies the interrogative pronoun what to indicate a subject or an object that does not reveal as a person instead of a noun and the interrogative pronoun what indicates a subject or an object that is not a person. The speaker applies the interrogative pronoun what to seek a response about a noun to define the subject or the object revealed not as a person. There are 4 clauses. The first clause is this: what is his job? The speaker applies the interrogative pronoun what that practices the role as a subjective complement to define the subject of the be verb, indicated by the phrase of a noun, his job. The phrase of the noun, his job, as a subject is defined with the interrogative pronoun what that has the role as a subjective complement. The noun, job, is applied to describe a person, but the noun, job, does not indicate a person. The interrogative pronoun what as a subjective complement of the subject, his job, is appropriate. This interrogative clause is stated in the second type of clause, constituted with the subjective complement what the be verb is and the subject, his job. One of the responses is stated in the conference: his job is a pilot. The speaker intends the phrase of the noun, a pilot, to define the subject indicated by the interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause, which practices the role as the subjective complement in this clause. The phrase of the noun, a pilot, corresponds to the interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause. According to the definition, the noun pilot indicates a job for a person. So the noun pilot is appropriate to define the subject, his job, which is not a person, and is indicated by the interrogative pronoun what. There is the second clause: what makes you happy? The interrogative pronoun what indicates the subject of the condition indicated by the transitive verb makes. The form of the transitive verb makes reveals the 2 premises about the subject indicated by the interrogative pronoun what. The interrogative pronoun what indicates the subject of the transitive verb makes. The first premise is that the number of the subject indicated by the interrogative pronoun what is singular. The form of the transitive verb makes with the suffix s reveals the number of the subject indicated by the interrogative pronoun what as singular. The second premise is that the interrogative pronoun what to indicate a subject revealed as not a person does not participate in the conversation with the speaker because the subject is not a person. The subject revealed not as a person cannot participate in the conversation with the speaker. This interrogative clause is stated in the 5th type of clause, constituted with the subject what, the transitive verb makes, the object you and the objective complement happy to describe the condition of the object. One of the responses is stated in the conference. The smiles make me happy. The smiles. The interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause. The third clause is this. What do you like? Indicates an object to receive the condition indicated by the transitive verb like from the listeners as the subject. The object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what is the object of the transitive verb like. The modal verb do reveals the information about the subject that are listeners. Because the transitive verb like does not reveal the information about the number of the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what, the number of the object can be singular or plural. The object of a transitive verb or a preposition does not reveal the number. The form of the transitive verb or the preposition, because it is about the orientation of the conveyance. The definition of the transitive verb and the preposition starts from the subject and ends with the object. So the object does not influence the form of the transitive verb or the preposition. This interrogative clause is stated in the third type of clause, constituted with the object what, the modal verb as an adverb do, the subject you, and the transitive verb like. One of the responses is stated in the conference. I like peace. The speaker indicates the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause with the noun peace to indicate an object that is not a person. The object of the transitive verb like indicated by the abstract noun peace corresponds the interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause. The first clause is this. What does he distinguish the experience from? The speaker mediates the relationship with the preposition from between the subject of the preposition indicated by the phrase of the noun, the experience, and the object of the preposition indicated by the interrogative pronoun what. The object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what receives the definition of the preposition from. We can understand that the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what is the origin of the subject, the experience of the preposition from. With the definition of the preposition from, the subject of the preposition, the experience, is mediated by the preposition from, with the object of the preposition indicated by the interrogative pronoun what, because the subject, the experience, originates from the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun what. One of the responses is stated in the conference. He distinguishes the experience from leisure. The speaker indicates the object of the preposition from indicated by the interrogative pronoun what in the interrogative clause with the abstract noun leisure to indicate an object that is not a person. The object of the preposition from leisure corresponds the interrogative pronoun went in the interrogative clause.